Now, also, Vaze we are coin the crash on.
Aye.
Body junction.
I can see as just opposite one.
Opposite one.
On echo.
Now, Anopena meeting you David Aquetamo. And Davis, you on your car. Our could be or more assorted fried rice.
Okay.
To me, meeting a so on Kohoda.
Unim near me or
Ubia Oko Ubia, on team me recommendation.
Okay.
Or more a pointed jollof bio.
I see.
But Quacaton so more pointed jollof. Jollof rice.
Saturday,
Omodi a punchy sauce be.
I know she.
And then the secret.
Okay.
And apart from so bologna wine, almost our ginger and pineapple juice be all. No say a combination come up. So quiet. No, what piano more.
Maybe same cry, no, my catcher says, someone said, Ayala kind.
Aye, Mamma, ginger and pineapple juice. No,
Namini can't find on you. You are
more punchy jollof. Now, I'm going to do my dance. Okay. And the Saturday, you never share more.
Ever call.
Rich. You say, over Premier League in this year, Man United routine, and they want the longest unbeaten run. 9 games. But Rich, may I sure say, the hanko for a year since I carry Kebayano. We shake games our boy. Any baby and teams now share woman or moda ewo table on so. Rich. Anka dear Uncle Biabaka say, oh, where the air fukra.
What's up?
Any another went to me. But only say a crime so no. And said I am the Biamaka say sometimes the occasion anka so
I don't know
who ba Emma utimi rise it. And now Ushabona and I'm dear. You could sense say yes, Menkase was absolute. Say Abiana there was no agency be on my team. No, the was a Bruno money I don't say. But which would they compare Manchester Derby? No, would they compare our Emirates? Would they compare games that I'm about to say? And you thought you were as a more momentum be, more reading be, and that you will beat West Ham for no. Now, go now. Switch a share. Mimi dear, born to Atinamuna. I did about me team first and say, is this the reason why Sir Patrick Dogu ya feta? Ayana Carrick ever say or Bono. I will look sure and Nimuna. Because Rich, it seems look sure a weak when it comes to Manchester, I'm back for now. And Minimsabia, Jeff Antimi, you go about for the purposes of Ensamayeke. We should we are crossing the free by now. It was too easy. And the moment I switched ever say, you look at the demeanor of Abenchi to say, Kobe Minor, you say, on one record, to call the order. And they were playing the ball.
And defending you cry.
No. Not to connect that look sure. No. The right hand side of West Ham attacking. No, too much. And got Thomas Switch like they're rich. So that's why. And kind of ting. No go ahead the ball. I say, but to come at the cross, at the end of a cross and non form there, that is too weak a goal to concede. But so even when crowd say you take your solace from the mentality, and I'm assuming that because you
lose game now.
We are man you who expectations on the club no was wrong. That's also Ayala Mejiatum. The way even your call from no, yeah till the end. I equalizer no. I love that spirit because Saudi enemy said them who you man you more. Then I will accept it too. And no time Benjamin says could do more than 2 at the end. And I'm say, hey, That is a man we used to know.
And a technique now apply.
And your confidence in Rich.
The technique.
And your striker just say, confidence now. Striker, you need to score goals. So who should goals now? Not a day. Confidence in neighbor. Now look. In my last 2 games, my boy, Obeshare 90 plus 4. Every game in the Then he comes in to score 90 plus 6 in an equalizer. And this is the technique that you are talking about. In moment cross in the coin, shall we do on shop or no? No.
Me born to be honest with you, born a toilet man.
Yes.
Did the moon so to believe now? I
want check. Because cross the neighbor no. Oh, share the answer or did the 9. Oh, I said on him technique no so bon. And he knew where the pole was. And it's a whole tier commentators and I say analysts no make so strike away on him baby upon this year. All that we want to say is that there is a striker in form. Nothing say Oba and when you're not the criticisms. Ibumukra wrote him off. Say on Timmy Mama, you know. But the oil, Edding, Papa. Edding. So, boy, Rich, a dear Dim boom is to come from the bench and impact the game. Obama game, the way you are not up to the pace. But to come from the bench and affect the game, you know, Senator Benjamin Sesko, that is very, very good of more striker. No, see, more fun is and no chance to 2-2 no more boy. I saw one statistic handle be our say Chelsea loses 17 points from winning positions. And out of the 17 points now, or more losing from winning positions in the Premier League this season, you know, a move 15 as was Stamford Bridge. Now, Rich, I love Liam Rosinia. And right, on mobile game, you know, on the TNT 4 years interview, or say the conclusion, and they say Chelsea and a 2-2 draw, a chair list for them. That is the conclusion. Born on mobile, you know, Chelsea should have won. Or see, there was 6 minutes of lack of concentration and madness, and within that 6 minutes, you know, and at least came back into the game. And you agree with him? You win Chelsea lineup, no? And I'm seeing you. Send a minute, I'm sure game I'm observant, you know. I saw a Chelsea 4-2-3-1, but the question I was asking myself and I said, Rich, Obo Moses Casedo, Obo Andres Santos, Obo Enzo Fernandez, and I was able to Kupama with Estevao and João Pedro. And see, I hear from Andres Santos, Bobo. So on him was Casedo above 6 and 8. And he found a Kopama, Bobo. Will he play Kopama, one of the wingers, with Estevao at the other side? Now on the Enzo Fernandez, Abidjan number 10. And I say, Obo Kopama number 10, and push Enzo Fernandez to one of the wings. I am who say Obubi. See, Omoba Park, Resuna, referee Nika, so be an double body. Now be saying who how, players in the Rich. Then I watch Chelsea players no Omujina, and I'm say no. Still, Kopama has gone to the number 10 position. Then Enzo Fernandez, born say, I said, Oba wings over, as I was saying, Fifi. And Chelsea look precasing like this. And I'm saying, okay, this will be very, very interesting. As Chelsea will game on the quarter, and I'm also okay. Liam will want to use the way Mark Kukwera or corner or back our left corner. So he thinks he doesn't really need a left winger. You hear, I say, Enzo Fernandez will add to Kopama in a double number 10, and he will still have Moses Casedo and Andres Santos in a box made full say, no more dominating Fifi. After all, this is the first time, and I'm confessing, Rich, coach na your friend Daniel Falke no or a German on your coach or your defensive it is Russia now say or the Norwich about Premier League nim no Sako relegation or the full or the teams about league nim no Sako relegation and no nkwade Falke ever game nim no Rich he came into the game with a 5-4-1
to defend.
Yes, 5-4-1. Let me say, hey, play man than a Falke. I start to say, oh, you defensive, sir. And to me, I should say, Liam watching him and say, look, me hear a lot of defense because these guys they are not coming to play anything. I'm over some frustrating. And see, let's get the job done by adding a lot of midfielders, dominating the 9 striker. Now I have watched video na 50 when Liam called Chaloba, now Okache say, "Born I may born me too number 10 for no, omu Jumani because they are always finding the space." Say last time I say me who was it to Ekotokono. They are finding the space in between the two lines of omu defense no. And unti me wo Andre Santos and Amo Mosca said, and conform me for the simu no more elbow central no. They are keeping their pressure on them. Nemenya Kopama any Enzo Fernandez they be a omotite sa midfield nechi and they are standing in between omo midfielders no and omo defenders no enti me hu ade bi kokache me striker João Pedro say anytime be a ball ni be ba me two number 10s no obi ano e yan kofo defenders no and a push be pressure omo je ball no na omo je ono no ho enti unim mani nyina gina offside position ho na tetem kofo na chi. The moment they step out, so mama press it, Kopama and Enzo Fernandez, no. Make sure you turn your hands well. Near more born into my Ubeshego. Rich, Okokachi and check. And a first go to buy. That is a hallmark of a coach. Then Chelsea came into the second half, added an early 2-goal lead. Means, oh, Chelsea are home and dry. Then came those moments of madness. Rich. In such situations, what the question why?
Oh, and your coach. This is my coach.
And your
coaching. Yeah.
And we go back to those days when Liverpool was so poor defensively. Now club by no and I say obo coach situation, you know. O coach yamfa. No say ura, I see a kotoba. And you be better coach betting yourself. We will need to go and buy. Yento alese mbra yento ibuku na yento players no me solve problem no rich awo that is why Liam say they give the game omuma points you know and I say omo the chair team I no Leeds United because which there is a dominance first half and the 50 was in the first half Leeds was 0.01 SG. The whole of the first half, one shot, or on target. And they can only afford 35% of ball possession. By a ball game in the year, Chelsea were hoping 2.65 SG. 3.650. Now about draw gas game. See, a very, very painful draw. Now, Kopoma Bechirim. Or Mechirim.
Oh no, Grammy, you're so speechless. So, how? My chance we are saying, like, how? Now, Ayala will bet him say,
may time in the Kumino. They were the same bone. But my movie down at I see Mekai Barcelona AC Milan, Robin de Souza, Robinho, or Saibu Bisia. And see, there are some days like that. Obafano, sir, in the next 2 minutes, and the games, you know. Look, my head full of last 5 games. Oma winning 2 pay. Oma last 2 games, because I'm losing now. At the Etihad, many said they will survive Man City. Man City should be able to beat team and friend Fulham. Many fifi arguing. What we ultra bets? The Liverpool Ayala Stadium of Light in Chenier. The ATM is Chenier and they say, Rich. When said this season in the Premier League, the only team out here unbeaten is Sunderland. the whole of the Premier League. Only the only team of Obianchen. But looking at this record, which Liverpool super any club, so we should share anymore. They like that Liverpool was alien. When it is said the odds are against them, yes, so now could record. But until that thing happens, you know, the way I know my ABC. And I'm a game when we prediction everything. Sunderland are very stubborn at home. And Liverpool are the only team that can go and do their expect, especially when they want a response against their two in a Man City game. No, meaning how Ubesia corner, but an over 1.5 probably will be good on the books at the ML. Villa and Brighton rich, tricky, but Villa home.
Brighton is in a buffer.
I think say Bana above from they are too weak defensively. Okay, I'm not team balance.
I won't consider
exactly. I will go for a double chance for Tima, your friend Villa, and the same double chance for Crystal Palace against Burnley. And may expect Nottingham Forest so probably will get a double chance against Wolverhampton Wanderers. And then the first semi-finals of the Copa del Rey by Ochina and Barcelona, everybody left Madrid. And Opemi who said, Jero, a report, he said, Oko Barcelona training na Rafinha and Rashford and yet training and they be missing Ochina game ewo ehonum Thomas Van Gray apomono results in Nkoye Roberto Rezebi apomono me sure say Thomas Van decision Rich it is linked to the Zebi there before the Zebi call Marseille not Tottenham Peno and Okoye timi so mu se no ho beda ho no se o masa me yenya akwa we kan na yentimi ekwan mu mie na yentimi emmefa ne there are some beautiful games be in the Premier League Mbano a Champions League there are 2 games I'm expecting Arsenal to beat OH and at least Real Madrid go away to Paris FC no me expect so mutimi enya double chance until with I don't know mama mfa code be credit to entwase na yentimi enko yenim ewo now which answer na me the code neighbor no they be am ka say analysis utie na ye oda na Nhyira international